Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried egg puff at home easy guide. Begin by preparing 1 egg, 200 g flour, 50 g butter, salt, and pepper, then make a pliable dough. Rest the dough while you whisk the egg and prepare a simple filling. Heat oil to a steady medium-high temperature and keep a plate lined with paper towels ready to drain the cooked puffs. Combine flour, butter, and a pinch of salt in a bowl and rub until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add cold water gradually and knead just until the dough comes together for a tender crust. Wrap the dough and chill for about 15 minutes. This makes it easier to roll and shape. After resting, divide into equal portions and roll each piece into thin rounds, ready for filling and folding. Hey friends, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A book that changed how I think about money popped up on my shelf and felt like the perfect companion to simple home cooking tips, a little inspiration for both your kitchen and wallet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Carefully crack 1 egg into a small bowl and season with salt, pepper, and a splash of milk for richness. Place a rolled dough round on your palm, add the seasoned egg in the center, and fold the edges to seal tightly so no filling escapes. Fry each sealed puff in hot oil until evenly golden brown, turning occasionally for uniform crust, then drain on paper towels to remove excess oil before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.